Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on Tricky Maths Part 47. If you disassemble the large cube to the left into smaller cubes, how many small cubes do you have? What fraction of the surface area of the large cube is the surface area of each small cube? Now, if you want to pause this video, you can do so now. That'll give you a chance to solve it. I'll move on now and we will discuss the solution. If we carefully count the small cubes, we can see 9 in the top row. So that top row here, you can definitely see 9. 3, 6, 9. 9 in the middle row, so it's exactly the same as the top row. Even though you can't see some of the cubes, you can certainly imagine that there are 9 there, and there are also 9 in the bottom row. So that makes a total of 27 small cubes. So the answer is 27 for the number of small cubes. What fraction of the surface area of the large cube is the surface area of each small cube? Now here I've given us that the measurements for the small cube, let's assume that each of them is 1 unit, okay? Whatever the unit is, it doesn't matter, it could be centimetres, whatever. So each of these lengths is 1 unit. So the surface area of the top face, so we're looking at the large cube first. Okay, so the surface area of the top face is 9 square units. 3 times 3. If you remember, each of those was 1 unit, okay? 1 by 1. So that's 9 square units there. So the total surface area of the 6 faces of the large cube is 54 square units, because it has 6 faces. So 6 times 9, that gives you 54 square units, which is the surface area of the large cube. Now let's look at the surface area of the small cube. So imagine one of these small cubes has been taken out, because remember it was disassembled. So now we can see the 6 faces. So the surface area of one small cube is 6 square units. So 1 times 1, that gives you 1. There are 6 faces, so you've got 6 square units. Hence, the answer to the question in the top text box, what fraction of the surface area of the large cube is the surface area of each small cube? 6 over 54, of course that's the surface area of the small cube, that's the surface area of the large cube. When we simplify that, we get 1 over 9, because 6 into 6 goes once, 6 into 54 goes 9. So the answer is 1 over 9. So that's a very interesting problem there on the surface area of a cube, and also some practice with fractions. I hope you enjoyed that, and I wonder if you were able to solve it.